I'm Dr. Eben Alexander, and I'd like to share a wonderful new book that I'm helping to endorse and promote. This book was published October 14th, 2025 in North America. It's already sold more than 400,000 copies in Europe. It was written by Michel-Yves Bolloré and Olivier Bonnassies. And they are two French scientists who have written an incredibly powerful book. And I'd like to share a little bit of that book with you now. The book basically starts with Big Bang cosmology. It's important to point out that at the beginning of the 20th century, scientists thought the universe had been eternal without any beginning. And so then all of a sudden, in 1929, when Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies were flying away from us, and the further away they were, the faster they were going, if you ran that clock backward, you could say that there was an origin to this universe 13.77 billion years ago. And that was a very revolutionary idea back in the early 20th century. Alexander Friedman corrected Einstein on the reality of the expanding universe from the mathematics in 1922. Of course, Einstein had injected the cosmological constant in his work, because his general relativity work suggested the universe should be either expanding or contracting. And so in that particular setting, Friedman educated Einstein about the importance of universal expansion. George Lemaitre, who was a Belgian priest, postulated the primeval atom and predicted Hubble's law in 1927. Fred Hoyle he came up with the term Big Bang, but he was doing it in jest. He was poking fun at Friedman and Lemaitre because Hoyle did not believe the Big Bang was possible. And so that was Hoyle's argument in 1949. 1953, those supporting the Big Bang were defeated. That is until 1964, when the cosmic microwave background radiation was discovered. And from that point forward, it's been an incredible victory for Big Bang cosmology and the notion of an origin universe, which from religious and spiritual implications has a tremendous amount to say about the nature of reality. Now, the other thing about this beautiful book is it then goes into the fine tuning of the universe. That is the gravitational constant, electromagnetic force, fine structure constant, et cetera, the weak force, all of these things, these 26 or so natural constants, the chances that they would be, as they are, supporting the development of planets, stars, galaxies, and intelligent life is only 1 in 10 to the 120th power. So extremely unlikely that just by cosmic accident, this universe has come into existence. There's a very strong argument here for intelligent design and for an intelligent creator. Paul Dirac, who was a Nobel Prize winner in quantum physics, formerly a very militant atheist, 1963, he said, God is a mathematician of the highest order. He used very advanced mathematics in constructing the universe. The book goes on to make excellent points about DNA and the absolute unlikelihood of the first self-replicating molecule coming into existence. Probability that that molecule was synthesized by chance alone, that would take millions and millions of times the current age of the universe, according to Mark Halavey, a physicist in 2009. There are many arguments here supporting the reality of God, discussions of Gödel's beliefs and Einstein's beliefs, but ultimately we can see that there is a new scientific paradigm that allows us to move beyond the bleak and paltry fiction of materialism. I love a quote from Werner Heisenberg: the first gulp from the glass of natural sciences will turn you into an atheist, but at the bottom of the glass, God is waiting for you. The revolution uniting science and spirituality has begun.